Do you ever need fast answer for simple math like addition, angles, or log without opening a calculator? What if your phone could solve it the moment you write it? With Android 16 and One UI 8.0 on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung Note now has a tool called Math Solver. It can solve basic single-line math instantly, whether you write it with the S Pen or type with the keyboard. Let me show you how simple it is. First, open Samsung Note, create a new note, tap the three dot in the top right corner, then tap turn on Math Solver. Once enabled, Samsung Note will automatically detect basic math. Now, write or type some math expression and make sure it's a single line formula. As you can see, as soon as you write the equal sign, the result appears automatically next to your expression. No tapping, no extra step. So, given to its function, Math Solver is perfect for students, teachers, and anyone who wants quick answer without switching app. Your Galaxy S25 Ultra can now solve basic math instantly right inside Samsung Note. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.